What is this? Okay. I don't understand what is even happening.
You gotta hold either right click.
Why can't it be like Pong or something? Why is it gotta be that? What is that line, bro? It doesn't make sense.
Ah.
What do you mean, ah? Like you understand this fucking game, bro. Am I doing it? Okay, I'm out of here, bro. Yeah. Bro, this guy just has his door open. I'm in his room right now. Come in here.
What? I wanna see. Did you draw all these on the wall? Whoa, I like your fedora. Right, look at it on the desk here.
Whoa. Oh yeah, I bet you get mad pussy with that fedora.
My man.
Alright, later, Les.
Love you, Luzzy.
This is about to go. We smoke. Alright, see you later, Les. We're going out. See if he's still in there. Yeah, he's still in there. Just staring.
We can invite Luz.
Yeah, invite him. It's our boy now. I just know he'll join. Who's this? Oh. Yo, our Skippy. And nothing.
Alright.
Skippy, you don't mind if I follow you to your room, right? Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll just hang out and kiss and stuff. I mean, play. No? Is that gay?
Skippy.
Am I being too touchy?
Him to the group.
We invited you, Skippy. Skippy, come on, man. Let's join up.
Skip. 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 Oh man, fuck you, Skip.
Oh.
I do need to do that mission.
Troy.
Think everything is hardcore.
Troy, I like your name.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I wish I had a name like Troy.
My family named me after a president.
After a pretzel?
No, a president. A bad guy.
Oh, a bad guy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, my mom told me to stay away from bad guys.
Poop my pants.
Oh my god! Help me! Help me!
What's going on in here? What the fuck?
Get your butt off of him!
That's alright. I'm in here. I'm gonna be in here. Hey, don't leave me in here! Don't leave me in here! Oh my god, his dick and balls. His dick and balls are out. Alright, is anyone gonna do anything about this guy slapping his dick and balls in my face? Yeah, let's run different ways.
I want you to go to the wall for a second. Hey, buddy, hey, sit down. Stop looking at me.
Jesus fuck, dude, that's my ear. God damn it, Troy. Troy, did you just burp in my ear, bro?
No.
Who did? Who just burped it? Bro, who just burped in my ear?
Not me.
What are you doing in there?
Okay, guys, go in.
Fucking room.
What the fuck was that, Smeep?
Close the door and ignore.
Wait, who just opened that door? Giblets?
He's blind. He can't really see you.
Oh,
But
yeah,
you
you
can
can't really see
feel
me. We gotta have like a little discussion about Smeep, our like fellow group. Remember? He's burping in our ear. He's closing doors.
There's another one in here.
No. Alright, Troy, we're in a little predicament. Just fucking run, dude. Watch the hanging balls. Watch the hanging balls. You fucking. Oh my god.
Okay, guys, let's go. Follow me. We gotta go to the area. Just follow me.
Troy, are you mad at me?
No, come on, man.
Alright. Alright, no. Okay, cool. So we're all cool. Okay, get the fuck away from me. Skip. Help me, Troy.
I want you to find boxes and put it in this excavator.
Alright, you got it. I'll go look.
Because basically, I've been the grinding.
Oh, I found one. I'm gonna bring it. What the hell was it? Smeep? Smeep? I gotta drop this, dude. I gotta go help Smeep.
The gangbanging at me. Okay, put it in the excavator. I will take care of you. I do have much damage. Fully.
Anything for you, T-Roy.
Thank you.
There it is. Nice.
1 second, let me grab this ticket and then follow me in the middle.
Troy, are you proud of me? Did I do good?
Yes.
I did good? Alright.
Yes.
Oops.
I don't want to be last. I don't want to be last. Oh my god.
Let's go.
Turtle!
Go, go, go. I don't want to be last. I said. British. Wait a second, he's right there. Shh. Okay, really? Get the fuck away. You're the monster. What? This is my new friend. Whoa. Dude.
Listen, I don't really like this one because it's all about math and I don't feel like doing math. Because I don't want to feel like being in school.
Yeah.
I know how to read, but I know don't know how to say the big long words. That's plus. Yeah.
That's plus me.
Yeah. 1 second.
He knows what he's doing.
Dang, why horror games need to be math related? This is a horror game. Math. The scariest thing in the whole wide world. Dang, Outlast knows. Red Barrels knows how to make a horror game, putting mouth in my face.
Yeah. Let's hit the blinker bunks. There's an oddly amount of weird moans in this game.
Yeah, it's acid.
Look at his little peen. You guys see his little peen?
No, I can't see it. It's blurred out.
No, I don't have that.
I make the CP.
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Thank you.
I love Fortnite.
We were probably not playing down.
Inventimus, do a little twirl for us. What is that? What are you doing? Giblets.
Hey, Jibby.
I don't want to say my age.
Yeah, last
Because you
time
guys-
Troy said his age to someone, he figured out that he said his age to a girl that liked him, and she immediately
on Outlast.
left.
What?
He
No.
met he met a girl, said his age.
Yeah, me and Hole was playing Outlast, and every time, like, when I always play with Hole, she say, love you. And then after I play it, and she say, sorry, I gotta leave. So it's my old friend.
Troy, if my mom walks in, will I get in trouble? She sees me playing this mission.
I mean, you're going to a sex hotel, so maybe.
Are you kidding me, dude? Dude, I may not be able to play this mission.
You could just turn on the neuter mod.
No, but the thing is, I want to see that. Like, I want to see the titties.
Your mom says
They're mainly all mannequins.
Do you think she'll take
so,
my computer if she sees it?
Oh.
Oh my god. Wait, Mom, don't look! Mom!
You don't want to miss the Toy Factory map. That one's the best.
Bro, he just keeps burping.
Hey guys.
Bro, you just keep burping.
Hey guys. After this, you guys want to play the Toy Factory map? It's like Toys of Us. Toys of Us.
They make sex dolls. That's what they're doing. They're making sex dolls.
Never. Oh, look at this guy's organs.
What's or are you okay? I threw my brick at his penis, but now I can't get my brick back.
Come on.
You threw it at his penis?
Yeah, I threw it at his penis.
I told him, Dale, I threw it right in his penis.
Yeah, sure gonna leave a mark, I'll tell you what.
Does this look like Juggernaut? Okay. Come on, let's go.
Oh wait, those. You gotta play that cat and mouse game.
He's right behind me. Is it? Guys, open the door. Come on, let's go.
Hey, look
Ma-
to your right.
All right, let's go. What the hell? Is there room for me? Is there room for me?
Go.
Oh, grab that. Yep. Didn't even get to say grab that before you grabbed it. You fucking big and greedy.
I'd take a pink one.
Yeah, pink one, blue one, yellow one. I don't want that white cummy one.
And let's see this cookie in the room.
You alright? You alright up there? You alright? You alright? Alright, good. Fucking.
I'm gonna go to the hotel real fast. Hey there.
Nothing?
Is it in here?
You're not gonna say anything to this guy?
Oh. What?
You hear that?
Forget it, dude. Just do your thing. Go bring it to the motel.
Okay.
Whoa, look at this guy. Wouldn't it be nice?
Whoa.
Broad daylight right in front of the fireman.
Yeah, right in front of the fireman.
Tag.
Right in front of the whole city, actually. It's crazy. I think those are just wild days back then.
Friend, there's a window we can jump out.
Now what?
Oh no. I think we're trapped. We might have to repopulate.
Immediately.
I just ran straight to it. Wasted no time. Didn't even think of any other options.
What's skittering around? Do you hear that? Some skittering.
Hey, why you guys already there? We already done that.
Yeah, we already done that, Smeep. Dude, just blame Smeep, honestly. He's dragging the team behind.
No, you both.
What? Troy!
No, it's the truth. You most likely just fooling around with Flanko.
Ski nights. Okay, I found it.
What are we supposed to do with that guy?
You find the evil. If you guys see a closed level, just ask.
I don't know.
You guys got any
saying.
cruiser late? Do you have the keel of every time you step in that main line, like that line away?
Why are they coming after me?
She likes him young.
What? No, I heard that. I don't.
No, like the kitty.
Yeah, Smeep. That's kind of weird. Why would you say that?
Yeah.
I don't want to be last. I don't want to be last. I don't want to be last.
Press the button. Ernie, you guys want to press the button?
It's all you, bud.
Acid.
Sid. Sid. Yeah.
The Sentinel is still in though. The Sentinel, the nudity Sentinel is still, it's inside, but I can't, there's no penis to show.
Yeah, that was my
Guys
first
tell
thought.
you, but
You can still kind of see through this little peephole. What?
I jumped so hard. I jumped so hard.
I got second place, so Smeet, you suck.
I got first place.
Yeah, I got C because I keep on stepping on
Okay.
the name now.
I'm done listening to this guy fucking burp.
What is he drinking that makes his burp so much?
Right. Can I put down?
I don't know.
Can I
That's
put
the
down
thing. You can't, dude. I can't even understand what he's saying.
Yeah, I'm going to play for it.
Baddies in the...
Yeah.
Okay, are you guys ready?
Oh, fuck off.